No motor sound. There is the motor. Just a little bit of a wobble, pull her out. Move the electrics. Okay. Then just make a little lead. 2 terminals on the ends, no problem. Okay, so put the wires in, make sure you clamped in a vise so it can't move. Plug it directly into the wall. Motor successfully tested. So despite it looking like electrically it's fine and the motor's not turning, the motor is actually okay, and there's the electronics module in this. So just take out these 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, that pops out and this all changes as one piece.